Lot of credit goes to her also, the whole team, and especially Ms. Shaista. It was wonderfully conducted. I was so very happy. We are all so very happy the way you had conducted it, the way the message was conveyed. So big round of applause for all of them. And above all, the participation of the students, how beautifully, how wonderfully you have responded to the teachers, how excellently you are answering the questions, how attentive you have been throughout this workshop, throughout this presentation. You were sitting very attentively and the answers you have given wonderful. So now claps for your own selves. And Ms. Aisha, well done. I was just congratulating the students and Ms. Hala for initiating the idea and then implemented by the section and the teachers, those who were involved, Ms. Tahira and all the senior team. I have just congratulated Ms. Shaista for wonderfully conducting it. Because I was looking at the students, how attentive they had been listening to the teacher, answering the questions. They were actually absorbing the message so very well. So many new things I myself have learned. So many new names of this night. It's a night of salvation. And above all, in the end, I would like to tell you all, it's not just taking the sweets and eating, or just listening to what we have said. Try to be more practical. So you are going to offer du'as today for your own selves at night, as Madam Shaista had said that after Maghrib, the process will begin. Right, ma'am? So you start offering du'as for yourselves, those who have departed you, your near and dear ones, those who have passed away, your grandparents, might be your relatives, whoever has left this world and has joined the world after. Pray for them especially. And Allah will always forgive, but there are occasions when Allah gives special attention to our words. So these are one of those nights. Definitely.